Welcome back to the Tannerites!
Hey Jordan, I need that picture that you have. Okay, I'll send it first.
Which picture are you sending? Don't send that picture.
I need one.
Here, I'll send one.
Okay, wait, let me send.
What the heck? Where did that come from?
What? How did you get here? How are you here?
That is
Like my form
sorcery.
of transportation?
Oh my gosh, you scared
That was
us!
a grand entrance. Wow.
Wait, could you like maybe make some noise next time? Like, that's like...
Boo! My heart is racing. Okay, I gotta hurry and call my parents so they know where I'm at. Hi. I made it to that YouTube family's house. It was funny. They were kind of surprised. I'm gonna explain to them how this game works, but you gotta get here fast. So hurry, get everyone in the car. Let's go.
We'll get a box like this.
Okay, love you, bye. Okay, my family is on their way. So how this works, you jump over here, you jump into the magical box, and you think very, very, very hard on where you want to go around the house, and you will magically appear there.
What?
Wait,
No.
is this safe?
Yeah. I hope so.
What? So you just transport.
Yeah.
No, I don't believe you. Let me try. I don't.
Wait,
Wait.
have you had any problems transporting ever? Because I don't want to send her if there's been any problems.
I lost a hair, but I think other than that, I'm good.
Well, I can't afford to lose any hair. So.
True.
Wait, so we've
So-
mailed our kids in boxes before, but we've never transported them in boxes.
I think it's safer to transport than to mail.
It probably is, yeah.
Probably.
And then
You
you
sure?
can
I want to
surprise
try it. I don't know.
Let's try it.
Okay, let's go.
Just go for it.
You just jump in.
Good luck,
Go for it.
Jordan. Jordan, don't go too
It is kind of bigger than it seems.
Where are you gonna go?
I don't know. I gotta think of a place. So you gotta think really, really hard on where you want to teleport.
Okay.
Are you thinking really, really, really hard?
Yeah.
Jordan,
You have a
don't go
place
too
in mind?
far away.
Yeah, I've got a good spot.
Okay, Jordan, you're still here. What are you doing? You're not thinking hard enough. Think, 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 think. Focus, focus, focus.
What? I told you it would work.
Are you kidding me?
Wait, she go! I want to see. Is this like, yeah.
She's not here anymore. Whoa! That was so crazy. Oh my gosh, Allie was right. What in the world? This is so cool.
Oh my goodness.
Jordan!
I saved one of her hairs just in case we need to bring her back.
Where did she go to though? How do we get her back?
I don't know. We have to find her.
That
She left her phone.
I can't call her. Okay, if she left her phone, I know she didn't think of a place too far away. So I wonder if she's here or.
She goes away.
But she loves her phone more.
We told her not to go very far.
Hey! What?
Where's Allie?
Oh my goodness! The whole family's here.
She said she was here. Did Allie make it?
Allie come?
Yes, Allie's here, but
what?
Jordan's gone.
Jordan left. Jordan went in the box.
Oh, she teleported.
Jordan got in the box and
Yeah,
we don't know.
go.
Maybe where she went, if she
You have
was
any ideas?
staying in the house, or
We told her not to go far.
So let's do this. Let's go find her.
Gosh.
Jordan thought of the first place she could think of around here, hopefully. So think of a place that Jordan would go to.
Maybe she went to her room.
Candy?
It could
We
be
don't
the
have candy
creepy
around here.
animal room. She likes animals.
let's go check.
Let's head this way. They're both the same direction.
Let's go check.
I don't know.
I'm not sure.
This is a creepy room. Whoa.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Is she in there?
Don't
let's
think
check.
that's Jordan's style. She'd
Yeah.
probably be
That's
creeped
probably the
out.
last place she'd go.
There's both of them here, but no Jordan.
This is a creepy room. I wouldn't come in here in a box.
Maybe she was in my room.
In here? Under bed?
Jordan!
Jordan!
I don't think she's in there. No.
Jordan!
Can the box be up in the air or is it always on the ground?
I don't know.
Like could it be up on top of something?
It can, absolutely, wherever she thinks
So I
of.
guess if she thought about it. Okay.
So look on top of everything.
Elf is by itself.
So this is her room?
So this was Jordan's room. Maybe she thought about being in here?
Jordan! Hey, look, there's stairs! There's
Oh,
stairs!
as
Yeah, here.
How was it?
Pretty good, actually. It was really easy.
Do you have all your arms and legs?
Yeah, and I don't think I lost any hairs, so I mean,
You lost
that's
one.
good.
I took one of your hairs.
Your dad kept one for DNA.
That's so amazing.
Okay,
Crazy
That
box.
was so awesome. How did you get a box like this?
it was teleported to us.
Really?
Okay, who found her? Who found her? You found her?
Yeah.
Do you want to go in the box or do you want to appoint someone else to go in it?
I want to go in the box.
You want to go in it? Okay, hop in the box.
Savannah, do you know a good place in this house that you could teleport to?
Did you see any on the way as you were looking?
Yeah.
Is it? You look kind of scared.
You're ready.
Oh no.
Oh.
Yeah, I do. Oh
Okay.
Be in the house.
Has to be in the house.
Not like Disneyland.
Yeah, because we can't be going anywhere. There are a lot of people in here. Wow.
Split up and search.
That's probably the good idea. Savannah, this better be good because we're splitting up. Hop in the box.
Close it up, Gigo. Close up the box for Savannah. Good job. Okay, Savannah, do you have it in your mind where you're going?
no. Yeah.
Think
got
really
this,
hard.
Hurry.
Savannah, are you thinking?
Yeah.
You're still here.
Savannah.
I got it.
Come on, Savannah.
Savannah?
I think you got it.
I don't think so. You're still here.
Harder, Savannah.
still
think
here.
Harder.
Whoa! Wow!
Gone.
Right here.
On again?
Gone. And so is Savannah. This is crazy.
All right. We've got to find a bigger box because I want to do this one of these days.
Everybody. Yes, I made it. Now we just gotta find me.
Let's go find her. Go, guys.
Go, go.
Clean up, so.
Oh, this is awesome.
Clean up.
Run. Come on.
Clean up. Clean up.
Okay, remember to look everywhere. She could be anywhere.
Yeah, we need to look every.
I don't know. Outside? Oh, I hope not.
I don't know where she is.
Savannah.
Go, 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 go.
The box doesn't change size, right? It stays the same size?
Yes. Is there an upstairs here?
Is there
Oh yeah,
There is an upstairs?
Let's go.
Stampede of children. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
Run, run, run. Come on, let's find her. She's probably so cramped in that box. We gotta find her.
She's small enough.
Savannah.
I'm gonna go up. Savannah.
Guys, there's more upstairs.
Savannah.
Do you think the moose could tell us?
Moose,
Marty! Marty, where's Savannah?
Oh, look, Johnny. There's
Nothing.
more stairs here.
There's more upstairs? Are you kidding me? Whoa, these are crazy stairs.
Those are like, you have to be skilled to be able to go. No, they're skilled.
You found it? Oh, look! Found her, found her!
I'm all whole. I didn't lose anything. No legs, no toes, no fingers, no arms.
Wow, that's crazy.
I found her, so I get to go next.
Yeah, you're gonna go next. Hop in the mystery box.
Nobody's gonna find me.
You gotta think really hard of where you're gonna go.
Are you
You got
thinking?
this. Come
You think? Come on.
think,
Think.
Whoa.
He's gone. He did it.
That's
Really
He knew where he was gonna go. He was concentrating.
He really was.
Where do you think he's at? You know him the most. You're his brother.
I don't know.
He's probably upstairs.
Yeah, he's probably somewhere downstairs. I don't think he'd hide up here again.
He's gone? What? He's gone?
He's gone again. Is he down there? Did you guys see the box at all?
I don't see him anywhere.
Has the moose seen it?
Moose hasn't moved all day.
What if he appeared on top of the moose antlers? That would be crazy. Maybe that's where I'm gonna go next. Okay, wait for me, guys. These stairs are so creepy. Look at this. It's wiggling on me.
Not in here. Let's shoot downstairs.
So he's not in this room? We already looked?
Yeah, let's go.
Back downstairs? Okay, go, go, go.
Let's go.
I'm guessing he's down.
So here's another upstairs. Nope, it's not there.
That's all the upstairs there is right there.
Wow, this place goes on forever.
I know,
Right? So many places to
crazy.
hide.
This is an awesome house. So many good hiding spots.
Okay, did we check in here really good?
Hey, Jay.
Jay.
Jake.
Chuck.
Oh, this is the kitchen. We haven't looked in here yet.
I have Jake.
Oh, nope, that's
Pantry?
Jake.
No.
Jake. Fridge.
Jake, are you in the microwave?
Is he in the fridge?
Jake.
Not in the fridge. Whoa.
I have no idea.
Room in there.
Jake,
Not in here? On the deck, maybe?
So is there any other part of this house we haven't been to yet?
Yes.
Where's Jake been hanging out a lot?
Where's his favorite spot? Do we know?
Video games.
Video games.
But
We don't have
we don't have video games here.
Not on this
Okay.
street. Is there somewhere else in this house we haven't been?
The garage area.
The racquetball. Oh yeah.
Racquetball court.
Yeah.
Where's that at?
What?
This way.
There's a racquetball court?
Yes, there's a crazy racquetball court here.
Let's go. Follow Gigo.
Where is he, Gigo?
Find him, Gigo. Oh, I found it. I found it. I found it.
Oh, we found him, guys.
I'm going to let Gigo do it.
This is crazy. It echoes. Whoa.
You guys, Canyon is not going to let us finish until he gets to teleport.
That's scary, though. Do you realize he can go anywhere he wants to go, Sarah? He's 3.
I know, but we'll keep it in the boundaries of the house.
Are we okay with this, guys?
He's your kid.
Okay, Gigo.
Canyon, think about where you're going to go, but remember, you can't go on top of the moose or anywhere scary, okay?
No mooses. No mises. No
mises.
mouses. Think. You got this, dude. You got it. Whoa, he did it. Canyon is gone. He's gone. Guys, where's the door? Canyon, get it. Canyon's out of here, and it was fast. So he already thought about a place.
Let's find Canyon.
Go guys, go.
Where could he have gone to?
He is a crazy thinker, so he could be anywhere.
Canyon!
Canyon!
Not in there?
He's not.
Is he underneath the table? Is he invisible?
Is he on the moose?
Yeah, check the moose.
Check the moose.
Moose is upstairs.
No moose? Oh, good. He's not up there.
Animal room, he likes animals.
Oh, Az. He likes animals. Did we check the animal room?
No, he didn't.
Go. Oh, did you find him?
Found him!
Oh, he's in the animal room. Whoa. Gigo, you teleported. You didn't go on the moose. Good job, dude. But what is that behind you? Oh, it's a buffalo.
It's a water buffalo.
We had so much fun teleporting with that YouTube family. We've always wanted to play Hello Neighbor, and we are going to play on their channel. So go to the link in the description below and check out that YouTube family. We love you guys, and as always,
You are worth it. And I eating cookies. Go, bud.